step one, we're going to set the tool height. So remove this position over here, set the tool height. Move the tool over. And now we're going to have to raise the tool up slightly. Now the tool height is set. Get out from this holder, move into position for facing off. We're going to take our piece of material, we're going to face off both sides. The chuck key, put a piece of brass into the machine, allowing a slight overhang. Set our machine speed to 1200. Press in, rotate, lining up at 1200. Close the bar down, looking over, take off our part, set our reference, press the button to set the reference, Z, 0 and enter. So we come away, part of the machine on, and then we'll tool into the part, and now we're just going to trace across the piece. We can test to see. We still see have a small bit of a saw cut. So we have to remove a small bit more material, about a ½ millimeter. We're moving down in Z, a ½ millimeter, and machining across. And perfectly machining the part away. So then we've got the part faced off. Stop the machine. And now we're preparing to drill the part. While we're doing this, we can face off the far side. Repeat the process. Take it out. Pop it in again. Take our part up. Touch the tool off the end of the piece. Set 0. Enter. Hard machine down. Over the piece. Again, we can check, we're still seeing saw marks. We're going to remove about 0.2 millimeters off. So from this position, we're going to machine off 0.2 millimeters just to take the part off. And now we've got faced off both sides of our piece. So, next step is to drill the hole. So we're going to remove the live center out of the machine, lie on your back, wind back, and pop out the live center. Replace it with the chuck. So to put the chuck in, you can move the distance of your hand out and chuck. So wind forward to the distance of your hand. Slide it in. And now it leaves the top position. Take your center drill bit, preserve the position, tighten by hand, then get your chuck key, pause for a second.